Hello, my name is Karasev, and I'm Dynamics GP and old Great Plains Dynamics consultant since 1995. And I personally support all versions of Great Plains ever released, including Microsoft Dynamics GP 2013, as I am recording this video in 2014 May, 2010, 10, 9.0, 8.0, 7.5, 7.0, and earlier. By the way, version 7.5 and earlier versions were available for Microsoft SQL Server Enterprise and Pervasive SQL Server 2000, formerly Btrieve, and Ctree, Faircom. The version 4.0 was available also on Mac operating system, where you can have two environments. First one where the server is Mac and all the workstations are Macs. And then the second option was Windows Server with Faircom C3 database and Macintosh workstations. Then I also support small business financials 9.0 and earlier, as well as Great Plains accounting for DOS, Windows and Macintosh. Great Plains accounting for DOS and Windows, this was a Btrieve application, and for Mac it was C3. Let me show you screens of all the version of Great Plains. Let me show you client interface of version 7.5. This is for C3 database, and this was typically installed on the consultant workstation. That's what I have on my old workstation as well. Let's take a look at the customer screen. This is lesson company, and now you see the accounts distribution for the customer and options for the customer. Address, excuse me, and now options for the customer, including credit limit. As you can judge, the interface is recognizable, so it's pretty similar to what you have in version 2013. Now this is Explorer, and it also has option to export to Excel or Microsoft Word. And I think it's now exporting to Excel. It takes some time. And by the way, do not forget to make the number of records unlimited in order to export, let's say, historical documents such as sales orders or purchase receipts. Here is Excel file with export of customers. I'm not gonna save it, just for you to see. And now I'd like to show you Great Plains accounting for DOS version 9.5. Excuse me, this is table structure in version 7.5 of Great Plains Dynamics. In sales, you can see customer master table, RM00101. And now you can see fields in this table. Okay, and now we are moving to Great Plains accounting for Windows version 9.5. It is different application, even it has similar name, but code base and functionality is different. And database in this case is Btrieve. It's old Windows, Microsoft Windows interface where you had event-based approach, and you basically tap through the fields and pick whatever is available. This is FRX 5.5 for Dynamics for Great Plains version 5.5 and earlier. Now I'm going to show you Great Plains accounting DOS. What I'm doing here, I'm basically using the camera to make screenshots of Great Plains accounting, because I don't have screen capture software on this old computer. This interface pretty much similar to what is Great Plains accounting for Windows, but it's DOS. Text-based application. Now I'm going to show you how to access data in Great Plains accounting for DOS or Windows. By the way, you need DDF files in order to create connection in Pervasive SQL Control Center 2000. Using DDF files, field, file, and index.ddf, I can connect to the tables, and now it's going to show you syntax of Pervasive SQL select statement. It will take some time to export. Let's see the syntax. It's in double quotes. The table name is in double quotes. You can export to read as well. You can export to text. I'm going to show you how you export to text. On the right side of the toolbar. And then this is how you do export to walk away from Great Plains accounting. So you can export any table which is in GPA, and then move data to something like SAP Business One or whatever you pick as the future ERP system.